Hi friends, for this first assignment, you get to tell me all about yourself. I'm so excited to get to know you. So for this assignment, first you need to go to Schoology. All right, if you don't remember how to get there, learn.rdale.org. Hopefully you made sure it was a bookmark at your morning meeting this morning. Anyway, I'm going to navigate to my Schoology. So this is what you will see when you go. I guess you won't see that. You'll see your home page. You'll click on your course. You'll go to our course. Click on your week 1 pathway. This first one is an overview if you want to see all the different assignments. Now we can go to next. So this video will be where you're seeing watch this video. You'll click open assignment with Cami. Okay, right there, you'll click on that, and then you will see this document open. So you're going to get to know Cami through this assignment, as well as telling me about yourself. So, hi, my name is. You have a couple of options for how to write things. You can click on this drawing button and just write your name. Okay, that is one option. Now that gets a little messy. I have a touch screen, you don't. So what you're probably going to want to do, at least for writing things, is to click where it says text box. Then you can click where you want the text box, and then you just type what you want to type. Now I can highlight this. I can go up to here and make it bigger. I can change the color. I believe this is where I change color. Purple is my favorite, or I can change it over here. I can also change the font size over here. So for this, since it's a big thing, I probably want that really big. Now in this circle here, it says draw yourself as an emoji. Now again, you can draw. You notice you can switch colors if you hover over here. Okay. You can erase if you make a mistake. So maybe, now that's fine. But if you want to have a little bit more fun with it, if you go over here to image, go to Google search, that G there. Now I want to click happy emoji. That's what I want to search for. So I'm going to press enter, search for it. So maybe this is the emoji I want. Maybe I'm feeling green. Look at all these fun options. Now, once I find what I want, I'm going to give a thumbs up. I'm going to click select. And look, I can just click wherever I want it. So I can put that right in there. Now again, for this birthday hometown section, use text boxes will be the easiest way. So again, I just click text box, click where I want it, and then I can type. For the different sections, 3 of your family members, you can again draw little pictures. Maybe you want to just find a Google search of someone, or you just draw a little happy face and tell me it's your mom and your dad and your sister, or your grandma and your dog and your baby cousin. Up to you what family members you want to include. Favorite thing about school, least favorite thing, things that you love. Just tell me some of your favorites, and then just tell me a little bit about something you did this summer. Now, you don't have to type on the lines. Okay, notice how it automatically is going to the next line. That's fine. I can drag it if I want it to be a little bit bigger, but it might not go on the actual line, and that is okay. So I'm going to say, I didn't travel this summer because of COVID. I got a new puppy and played a lot of board games. Now again, maybe I make this a little bit smaller because I want to tell you more about it. So I bring it down to 16, and then I have more space to talk about something I did. Again, don't freak out if it's not on the lines. That is fine. So that is what your first assignment will be, is filling out this all about me. Now, when you are done, it is important. Do not forget that you need to go. Press the turn in button. If you don't press turn in, I cannot see it. So once you are done, go ahead and press turn in. If you accidentally turn it in, you can always resubmit it. But don't forget to do that once you are finished with it. Any questions? Let me know.